Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing. Here we're talking about a Uniden DFR1. I want to just say that I've been selling this particular model for over 3 years and have sold thousands. For an entry-level radar detector, this is it. You know, everybody's got to be in their own class. Some people are in the $50, $100, $200, $500, $1,000. If you're looking for a radar detector, driving around town, maybe taking a trip here and there, this is the way to go. It is 360 degree. It does all your bands. And it works good enough that you got plenty of time, especially on a highway, to slow down. So what we're gonna do is open this up, take a look at it. I even got one I'm gonna plug in and turn it on and let you see what all comes in the box. And here we are, YouTube world. With a snap my finger, it'll be unboxed. Okay, bam, there we are. Look at that. That was pretty quick, huh? So the first thing I noticed, and this kind of gives a little hint, that there's 3 different manuals in here. And it's English, maybe French, some kind of Spanish. I don't know, but this tells me this thing is sold worldwide. And I believe it because it's a very popular entry-level model. Inside, you get some basic stuff, but it's really what you need for just having a radar detector. And if you're a little heavy-footed, then you know, this is the way to kind of slow down and try not to get some tickets. Understand, it's never a guarantee. If the cop is parked off the side, has it off, or he's using a laser, you know, sometimes you don't have enough time to slow down. But remember, it's not foolproof, but generally, if you're paying attention while you're driving, you can kind of gauge where they're at, give you enough time to slow down. But inside, you get a bracket, which actually goes on top, and you get the suction cups. Not the fanciest of type, but it's simple and it works. And the cool thing about this is when these dry up, especially being in the sun, stuck to your glass, you can just replace those. And that's a good, simple feature. The other thing with the suction cups I like, if you're going to take this down, put it in another car, pop it off, plug it back in. If you do want to permanently mount it, they do give you some double-sided Velcro. I'm guessing maybe for like on the dash or somewhere else. And I guess that could be not permanent. If you had another piece and you had another vehicle, you could pull it off, put it on another vehicle. You do get a really cool, you get an extra fuse in here. I'm not really sure why you would need one, but I mean, some people I've heard leave change by accident down their cigarette lighter and they go to plug this in and it shorts it out. So there is a glass type fuse. And then you have a basic cigarette lighter plug-in for it. And then on the actual Uniden DFR1, it does have 360 degree. You do have a city and highway option. You can dim it and you can mute it quickly. For instance, if you're in an area, it just keeps going off. It does the job. I've used them. I've ridden with them. I've even had them in with another radar detector and they work. This is what it kind of looks like lit up or sounding. So you can see it, you can hear it, and then I can dim it all the way till it's off. Okay, you can mute it, and it's pretty basic. So I know this is a small unboxing, but we can go over a few of the features, you know, that they list. It does have city and highway modes. It does do 360 protection, so no matter if it's front, rear, or coming from the sides, it will go off. And it does give you a signal strength that actually lights up so you can know as it's getting closer or further away. This is it. It's small, it's light, it's 12 volts, it's easy to go. This is what comes in the box. This is a great gift. This is a great personal gift. And if you are heavy foot, I definitely recommend getting yourself at least a DFR1 from Uniden. I'm Big Jeff, coming to you with another unboxing. Make sure you double click right now and like this video. Please share it out, bring some new people to the channel, and definitely subscribe. That's the most important thing. And if you like something, didn't like something about this video, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like me to do something in the future, let me know that too. I'm Big Jeff signing off. Till next time.